guys, welcome to another one. Today we're heading into Winnipeg to pick something up that'll help us out. It's gonna provide a little more reliability, a little more power. It's gonna look a little sexier. Comment down below if you've guessed what we're getting today. So yeah, I'm going along with my dad here.
It'd be a great trip.
Great trip. Make sure you keep watching to find out what it is.
Good idea. Sweet.
Thank you. So as you guys can see, got a new 9.9 Honda BF 9.9. It's a little bit beefier. If I'm taking the kids out on the river and the wind gets up, I just want it to be a little bit safer on the river. You don't mess around when you're on water, especially not with children. So there's some upgrades too. It's a little more power, obviously 50% more power. The other thing's a little more reliability. I'm not super mechanically inclined. That's Ryan and my dad. Nothing against the 6 horsepower Johnson. It absolutely did its job. Just thinking of my kids in the future. So the other thing too is be able to get to locations a little bit faster and maybe provide you guys with a little better content, just with in terms of finding spots easier and catching a bit quicker and making filming a bit easier for us. So there's that. The boat, you know, just getting it ready for spring. What do you guys think of the change? Do you think it's a good change, or would you just have stuck with the Johnson 6? Are you guys getting ready for springtime here, open water? What is your favorite brand of motor? The reason why I went with Honda is because it's got a good track record for reliability. A couple things about this particular unit. It doesn't have electronic start. I'm okay with that. That's fine. It's 222 cc's. Its reverse thrust is a little bit higher end than any other brand. Its weight is right about in the middle. So the other models I was looking at were Yamaha, Suzuki, Tatsu, I think is what it's called. I don't know. It's obviously Honda. The other reason is because I got an absolutely fantastic deal on this. So this is a 2023 unit, and it's only had 1 tank of gas ran through it. And it's 4-stroke, so I'm looking forward to that as well. Yeah. So if you guys want to see me take this out on the water, make sure you hit subscribe. We'll get this out on the water here soon. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Thanks for coming in, and appreciate you.